I thought I wouldn't be able to restore my credit because of money issues, but because creditrepair.com cares about its customers, I was able to get everything handled with ease.
I like that creditrepair.com takes their time to explain your credit status to you. They make you feel really important, and they never treat you like a number. They make you feel like a true person.
Creditrepair.com is the only answer. Creditrepair.com has helped me begin to restore my credit. Credit is important, especially when you have kids that need to go to college. Good credit is like having money in the bank.
Creditrepair.com has been a great tool and knowledge resource while cleaning my credit rating. I recommend everyone to creditrepair.com.
From first contact to negotiation, we'll be there every step of the way to help you work to remove inaccurate negative items from your report so you can start restoring your credit. What are you waiting for? Visit creditrepair.com today and start your journey to true financial freedom.